Alright, everybody. Today I'm going to do a review, and this review is in celebration of the world not ending on 12/21/2012. Okay, and I'm going to be reviewing the Logitech K360 keyboard, wireless keyboard, compatible with the unifying dongle, and also reviewing the set point software for Logitech components. So, what I like about this keyboard, it doesn't click as well you would expect it to. It feels kind of like springy click, but you don't get that nice sound of a click, but it's very responsive, and it's nice feel to the touch, rugged, very comfortable to type on. And also about the software, and it also has 12 programmable keys to be accessed by hitting the function key, and I'll demo that right here. So I will use my function F2, and that's oh, there we go. It just took so while for it to load. So you can set it for a bunch of different stuff. You can change it to open a program, open your email, open anything, do any type of action. So, like, you can so if you want to do the F12 button, you get all the way down to where it says calculator. Basically, whatever symbol is what the key is, or whatever. You would hit OK, select a task, and you got a lot of different stuff like calendar, control panel, document flip, eject drive documents, email, favorites, help, lock PC, messenger, media player, my computer, my documents, and all that other stuff. And also, you could also launch a program by browsing to it. And that's basically it. And also, yeah, this is the set point software where you can set all those hotkeys and stuff. So, yeah, and thanks for watching, people. And later I am going to do a little party, probably. I don't know if I will. I'll probably just be sitting around in my house, listening to music, relaxing, waiting for Christmas to come. Still waiting to open that TV. Still waiting for the graphics card. It's not here yet. Well, in my last video, I had the graphics card, but we had to take it back because we found one on the internet for a cheaper price, which was on a Newegg. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.